My name is Sophia. I want to share with you how I learn English every day. Learning English has changed my life, and I hope my routine helps you too. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I start my day by listening to English podcasts while brushing my teeth. I usually listen to a podcast called Listen and speak daily English. It helps me pick up new words and improve my listening skills. After breakfast, I spend 30 minutes reading an English book or article. I always look up new words in the dictionary and write them down in my notebook. Then, I try to make sentences with those new words. At around 10 a.m., I practice speaking. I go over some conversation topics and speak out loud in front of the mirror. Sometimes, I record myself so I can listen back and find my mistakes. This really helps me work on my pronunciation. In the afternoon, I watch short English videos on YouTube. I usually choose videos with subtitles so I can follow along easily. I try to take down important expressions and phrasal verbs. One of my favorite channels is Speak English with Vanessa. In the evening, I talk with a language partner online. We chat with each other for about 30 minutes. We talk about our day, hobbies, and sometimes we play games in English. This helps me feel more confident when speaking. Before I go to bed, I review everything I learned during the day. I go through my notes and quiz myself. I also write a short paragraph in English about my day to practice writing. Learning English is not easy, but if you stick to your routine, you will improve. Just remember, never give up and keep going.